It's good, man. Hold on. I want every time off to big up my mother. That's a special big up to my mother because, you know, the old saying,
for your mercy never fails me.
And they always have a sense of when I meet a woman who really don't get the right way. Suppose I can get to my own heart. So thank you, Mama, for teaching me to cook. So I'm a staff.
Till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.